Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is we're gonna do an unboxing. So I just received some of the packages that I ordered recently. So this one came from Amazon. So here's the box. Like I just literally just got it. So I already opened up for you guys just to kind of speed up this unboxing video for you. So if you guys are thinking of something to give to your kids, friends that is under $4, so let me just show you what I've got. So the item that I've ordered is this books right here. So I'm giving this books for Christmas in for my son's classroom. There are only like 9 kids in there, including my son. So I think that it would be really nice if we're gonna give something for the kids. I'm not sure if you guys already seen my previous video, like what to buy on for Christmas. I think I did mention that I was thinking of buying a book, but it was a Peppa Pig book. But this one, I got this one for $3 something. I think $3.30 if I'm not mistaken. So I ordered 4 of this book. There's more. I just received the 2 right now, so there's more book coming in. And this one, I also got this book. Actually, this book is about, it talks about the anxieties when you're in school, anxieties when you're performing in front of everybody, especially if you're singing or dancing, something like that. So I've read this book is really good, and this one too. That's why I bought it. This one, I think I got it for $3.97 something, so which is really cheap. So the other thing that you guys can also buy for the kids is this one. This is a magnetic puzzle if some of the kids are really into it. So this is a Blues Clues Melissa and Dog magnetic puzzle. So this one is back-to-back puzzle if some of the kids are really into this one. This one I got it under $4 as well. So as you can imagine, I already bought like 4 for the kids, and I only spent like about $16. So there's more coming in, and I only spent like $32 for as a gift for my kids friends. And another idea for you guys, if you have enough budget, you can also spend something about $10. So the first one that I'm going to show you is this giant Uno card. So if especially holidays coming up, everybody's gonna love Uno. Well, who doesn't love Uno, right? So this is gonna be a perfect game for everybody. And I already started teaching my son how to play with this card, and he is really enjoying it. But with my 3 years old, she just kind of tried to boop, throws everything. Plus this is too big for her as well, so pretty much probably that's why she's not interested into it, but she likes the colors though. And the next one that I'm going to show you as well is this pop I forgot what it's called. It's like a pop up, I think, multiplication tablet. Oh, not tablet, multiplication table. So I got this one. It was on sale as well. I got this one for six or $7, something like that. So my son is already 5 years old, and he is trying to learn math. And so this is the one that he's using right now. So this is the multiplication. And one more thing, if you want to splurge a little bit more than $10, so the one that I can recommend you as a gift for Christmas is this one. This is I'm sorry. So this one is a Lego set. So my son is also into Legos. So I'm gonna wrap this for Christmas so he can open up something on Christmas Day. So here it is. This one, we got this one from Costco. This is on the expensive side, but it's really worth it. And I highly recommend this, especially if your kids are really into it. And the next item that I'm going to show you is this one. So this is going to be the last item that I'm going to to show you today. So this is a Galaxy Sky projector. So my son started sleeping on his own room for about 3 weeks now. So I put some glow in the darks on the ceiling of his bedroom, and he really loves it. But my husband told me that we should get this one for him so he can have his like a night light as well at night. So that's it, everybody. So I hope you guys enjoy this video for today. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.